Hello everyone, my name is Harshali Ahira and we the team of 6 members including me as a group leader, Atharva Ahir as analyzer, Jayesh Ahira who designed model, Rupali Awad as finance manager, Aditya Bagul as organizer and Shravani Ahir as resource planner. Our topic is about home automation using IoT. Home automation evolution starts with some basic ideas. It minimizes the human effort and it can be deployed in lot of fields like military. Surveillance application is developed in the modern world. Nowadays, home automation is developed by using wireless technology. Wireless technology in home automation starts with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and Zigbee communication. Based on the requirement and application, they deployed the communication in projects. And we have numerous Android applications in Play Store to control our home automation. One of the most popular application on Play Store is Blink, which is used in this project. It has a lot of features like buttons, gauges, sliders, and plotting features also. By using Wi-Fi technology, we can connect a greater number of home automation to control it very useful for surveillance application. Nowadays, indoor localization technologies are developed on that case. Also, we can deploy this type of Wi-Fi controlled home automation.
The heart of our project is Wi-Fi enabled board that needs no introduction. The ESP8266 based Node MCU development board. It is a open source platform for developing Wi-Fi based embedded systems, and it is based on popular ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. The running NUA based Node MCU firmware. Node MCU was born out of desire to overcome the limitation associated with first version of ESP8266 module, which was not compatible with breadboards. It was difficult to power and even more difficult to program. Node MCU board is easy to use, low cost, and it's quickly endured it to the hearts of maker, and it is one of the most popular boards today. The components required for this project are LED, two female wires, Node MCU ESP8266 module. On large scale, instead of Node MCU, we can use Arduino board, resistance, connection cables.
So here I have here I have written the code. In this code I have written the code using while loop, and then I have verified the code here by clicking on this option in Arduino, and then afterwards I have uploaded the code. Now here you can see that I have the Node MCU and an LED connected to it. LED is connected on 2 points. One end is connected to D2 pin and other is connected to ground pin. And now I will connect the power supply to it. LED needs low power supply so it can glow. And now I will switch go on the Blink app in mobile. I want to just connect here here are some buttons on the Blink app. I have chosen first button, and now I want to only switch on here. I want to click on the play button, and then only we have to check whether your device is online or not. Here my device is online, you can see that. Now I will only I will put the button on, and the LED will glow. It is taking some time because of the Wi-Fi. See, it's glowing, and I can switch on or off afterwards by clicking on this button. Thank you.
The Node MCU is a Node microcontroller unit, is an open source software and a hard development environment built The Node MCU is available in various package styles. Common to the all design is the base ESP8266 core, design based on the architecture having maintained the standard 30-pin layout. Some designs use the more common narrow 0.9 footprint, while others use a wide 1.1 footprint. An important consideration to be aware of. The most common models of the Nodes MCU are the Amica, based on the standard narrow pin spacing, and the Lolin, which has the wider pin spacing and larger board. The open source design of the base ESP8266 enables the market to design new variants of the Node MCU continually.
My name is Rupali Awad. Today I am going to explain about advantages of home automation using IoT. First, it is easy to assist to smarter control of homes and cities via mobile phones. Next, by automating activities, it saves a lot of time. Then, information is easily accessible even if we are a bit far away from our actual location, and it is updated frequently in real time. After that, it is enhanced security and offers personal protection. Then personal assistance can be provided by IoT apps which can alert you to your regular plans. Next, it minimizes human effort because IoT device connect and communicate with another and perform a variety of tasks. Finally, there will be a unnecessary use of electricity equipments. Thank you. Next part will be explained by Shravani.
Hello, myself Shravani Ahir. The concept of home automation aims to bring the control of operating your everyday home electrical appliances to the tip of your finger, thus giving user affordable lighting solutions, better energy conservation with optimum use of energy. Apart from just lighting solutions, the concept also further extends to have overall control over your home security as well as build a centralized home entertainment system and much more. The IoT, that is Internet of Things based home automation system, as the name suggests, aims to control all the devices of your smart home through internet protocols or cloud based computing. The IoT based home automation system offers a lot of flexibility over the wired system as it comes with various advantages like ease of use, ease of installation, avoid complexity of running through wires or loose electrical connection, easy fault detection and triggering, and even offers easy mobility. Thus, we should make use of home automation system, thereby making optimum use of energy, simultaneously enjoying a comfortable lifestyle. Thank you all for watching our video.